Sarura Kids.
Trymore muzukuru. Don't forget to finish tidying up your room before you go and play with your friends. You need to sweep under your bed today.
Okay, Gogo. Oh. Hi, friends. I'm almost ready. I'm just tidying up. This is my Gogo. She's called Gogo the Trymore.
Hello, Vazukuru. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Welcome, Vazukuru. Trymore is just finishing tidying up his room. What are you going to be learning today?
Well, Gogo, today we are going to be learning about over and under in Shona.
Ah, that's wonderful, Trymore. Do your friends know how to say over and under in Shona?
Let's ask them. Friends, can you say Pamusoro? Well done, you guys. Pamusoro means over. And now say Pazasi. Well done. Pazasi means under.
Okay, vazukuru vangu. Why don't you finish cleaning your room and I'll take your friends on a walk and show them some more things that are over and under.
Okay, Gogo. See you when you get back.
Pamusoro Pazasi. Pamusoro Pazasi. Pamusoro Pazasi. Pamusoro Pazasi. Pamusoro Pazasi. Kune motokari idzo, vazukuru vangu. Mota idzo dziri pamusoro pezambuko here kana kuti pazasi pezambuko. Hongu, motokari dziri pamusoro pezambuko. Onei munhu ari pagomo apo, vazukuru vangu. Munhu uyo ari kuenda nepamusoro pegomo here kana kuti pazasi pegomo. Hongu muzukuru, munhu uyu anokwira nepamusoro pegomo. Onai vanhu vari kusvetuka mhingampinyidzo. Vanhu ava vari kuenda pamusoro pemhingampinyi here kana kuti pazasi pemhingampinyi. Hongu vazukuru vangu, vanhu vanosvetuka pamusoro pemhingampinyi. Onai chikepe icho. Chikepe ichi chiri kupfuura nepamusoro pezambuko here kana kuti pazasi pezambuko. Hongu vazukuru vangu, chikepe chinopfuura nepazasi pezambuko. katsi iyi iri kupfuura nepamusoro pegumbezi here kana kuti iri pazasi pegumbezi? Hongu vazukuru vangu, katsi iyi iri pazasi pegumbezi. Well done, Trymore. I see your room is now spick and span.
Thank you, Gogo. I put my duvet over my bed after I swept under the bed.
You did a good job, mzukuru wangu. And while you were doing that, we went and discovered so many things going over and under.
Wow, Gogo, that's great. What did you learn today, friends?
We learned that Pamusoro means over. We also learned that Pazasi means under.
That's wonderful. And what things did you see going over when you went out, Gogo?
Well, Trymore, we saw cars going over a bridge. We also saw people jumping over hurdles. The last thing we saw was a man climbing over a mountain.
Wow, that sounds amazing. And what things did you see going under, Gogo?
Well, Trymore, we saw cars going under a bridge. We also saw a boat going under the bridge. The last thing we saw was a cat under a blanket.
Gogo, it sounds like you had a really good time on your walk with our friends.
I really did, muzukuru wangu. It's time for us to go now, vazukuru wangu. Please come back next week so we can learn more about clean and dirty together. Goodbye.
Bye. We loved discovering over and under with you today. Why don't you look around today? What things do you see going over and under? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids YouTube channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later!